The bank has been stealing from you every single month, and they made it completely legal. Not a glitch. Not a mistake. A system designed to look like a reward while quietly draining your wallet every time you swipe. And if you have had the same credit card for more than 2 years, I can almost guarantee it is happening to you right now. Welcome back to American Credit Guide, the channel where we cut through the bank's fine print and put real money back in your pocket. If you are new here, this is where everyday Americans come to learn how to use credit cards like the wealthy do, without needing a wealthy income to do it. Make sure you subscribe right now because we drop new videos every week and every single one is built to save you or make you money. Let's get into it. You are losing money every single time you swipe your credit card. Not because you're spending too much, not because you're being irresponsible, but because the card sitting in your wallet right now was probably never built for the way you actually live and spend in 2026. And the banks? They are perfectly happy to let you keep using the wrong one forever. I want you to think about something for a second. What if I told you that 2 people can spend the exact same amount of money every single month, buy the exact same things, to live the exact same lifestyle, and one of them walks away with over $1,000 in rewards every year, while the other one gets maybe $150 and calls it a win? Same spending, completely different results. The only difference is which card they used and how they used it. That gap is real. It is happening right now across America. And most people are on the wrong side of it without even knowing it. So let's fix that today. No fluff, no filler, just exactly what you need to know. First, understand why 2026 is different from every other year when it comes to credit cards. Inflation changed how Americans spend money permanently. Grocery bills for the average family are significantly higher than they were 3 years ago. Gas prices swing violently every few months. People are ordering food delivery more and sitting in restaurants less. Subscriptions have multiplied streaming services. Gym apps, meal kits, cloud storage, and they are quietly pulling $20, $30, $50 out of your account every single month. The credit card that was perfect for your life in 2021 or 2022 is almost certainly not optimized for your life right now. Spending patterns shifted. Most people's credit card strategies never did. Here is the biggest myth in personal finance that is costing everyday Americans hundreds of dollars annually. The myth is this: having one card and using it for everything is smart and simple. It feels responsible. It feels clean. One bill. One login. One card in your wallet. But that simplicity has a price tag, and you are paying it every single month. Flat rate cards that give you 1.5% or 2% on everything sound fair, and they are if you never look closer, because the moment you look closer, you realize there are cards out there giving you 5 and 6% back in categories where Americans spend the most money: groceries, gas, dining, streaming, online shopping. The difference between 2% and 6% on $400 a month in groceries is over $200 a year from one category. Now here is how people who are actually winning at this play the game. They do not use one card. They use 2 or 3 cards, and each card has a specific job. Think of it like building a team where every player has a role. You have your grocery and gas card. This one needs to be a category specialist. Something paying you 4, 5, or 6% back every time you buy food or fill up your tank. You have your travel and dining card. This one earns you serious points on restaurants, flights, hotels, and everyday experiences. And it comes loaded with perks like airport, lounge access, travel insurance, and annual credits that can completely cancel out the fee you pay. And then you have your flat rate backup card, the one that goes on everything else, earning you a clean 2% on purchases that do not fall into your other categories. When you stack these 3 cards correctly and route your spending intentionally, your effective rewards rate across your entire budget jumps dramatically. People doing this are not financial geniuses. They are not rich. They are just paying attention to something most people ignore. Let's talk about sign-up bonuses, because this is the single most underused opportunity in American personal finance right now. Credit card companies in 2026 are in an all-out war for your spending. They want you as a customer, and they are willing to pay for it up front. Right now, there are cards offering sign-up bonuses worth $200, $500, and in some cases close to $1,000 in travel value just for meeting a minimum spending requirement in the first few months. Here is the key. If you have any large purchase coming up, home repairs, new appliances, a vacation, back-to-school shopping timing, a new card application around that, spending is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. You were going to spend that money anyway. You might as well get paid hundreds of dollars for doing it. Now I need to talk about something that most credit card videos completely skip over, and it is the most important thing in this entire conversation. If you carry a balance on your credit card, if you do not pay it off in full every single month, then none of the rewards matter at all. Zero. Because the average credit card APR in 2026 is sitting between 24 and 29%. No cashback rate. No point multiplier. No sign-up bonus on earth comes anywhere close to overcoming that. If you are paying 27% interest on a balance, and your card is giving you 2% cashback, you are not winning. You are losing 25 cents on every dollar. Every month that balance sits there. It grows. Rewards do not save you from that. The single most powerful financial move for anyone carrying credit card debt right now is finding a card with a 0% balance transfer offer, moving that debt over, and attacking it with everything you have before that promotional period ends. That one move can save you more money than years of optimizing rewards ever could. Let us talk about a fee that silently drains American travelers every single year. The foreign transaction fee. You book a trip. You are excited. You use your regular card the whole time, and you come home to a statement showing an extra 2 to 3% tacked onto every single international purchase. If you spent $3,000 on that trip, you just paid up to $90 for absolutely nothing. For the privilege of using your own money abroad. Every serious travel card eliminates this fee completely. And in 2026, there is zero reason to be paying it. Here is something else changing the credit card landscape in 2026 that most people are sleeping on: card benefits beyond rewards. The right card does not just earn you money back. It protects you. Purchase protection covers new items if they get damaged or stolen. Extended warranty adds extra coverage on electronics and appliances you buy. Trip cancellation insurance reimburses you if your plans fall apart last minute. Rental car insurance saves you from paying the absurd daily rates the rental companies push at the counter. Cell phone protection, baggage, delay coverage, price protection on purchases. These are real benefits with real dollar values attached to them. And most cardholders have no idea they even exist. The card in your wallet right now might be covering you for things you have been paying out of pocket or going without. Here is your action step, and I want you to actually do this, not just watch and move on. Open your bank or credit card app right now, or do it tonight, and pull up your last 90 days of spending. Go through it and add up how much you spent in each major category: groceries, gas, dining out, travel, subscriptions, online shopping, everything else. Write those numbers down. Then look at the rewards structure on your current card and calculate roughly what you earned versus what you could have earned with category-optimized cards. That gap, that number, is your motivation. For most Americans who do this exercise honestly, the gap is between $500 and $1,500 per year. That is money that already left your pocket. The question is whether you want it back going forward. The credit card industry is more competitive right now than it has ever been in American history. Banks are fighting over you. The offers are better. The bonuses are bigger. The benefits are stronger. But that competition only benefits people who are paying attention for everyone else. The banks win by default. They collect your loyalty, give you the minimum in return, and count on the fact that switching feels like too much effort. It is not too much effort. It takes a few hours of research and one application, and the return on that time investment can be hundreds or thousands of dollars over the next few years. Stop letting your credit card be something that just sits in your wallet. Make it work. Make it earn. Because in 2026, every single dollar you spend is an opportunity to get something back. And right now, most Americans are leaving that opportunity completely on the table. That is everything you need to know to stop leaving money on the table with your credit cards in 2026. Now here's what I need you to do right now. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Because next week we are going deeper on exactly how to maximize your credit score fast so you can qualify for the best cards in the country. You do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell me, what credit card are you currently using and what is your biggest frustration with it? I read every single comment and I might just make your next video. Thank you for watching American Credit Guide. I will see you in the next one.